Well, not really, but we'll be ready.
Okay size?
Huh?
He's an okay size.
Yeah, he is. Good job, bud.
Thanks.
Don't, like, throw it at me. I got my...
I'm trying to get in the boat.
Release. It's working great. Two for two on not doing a single thing right. Okay. Well, so far, you're 2 for 2. See, I'm telling you, every time. She was going to be a physical therapist.
No, that's not what Anthony told me or what your dad was saying.
Yeah, but that's what Kate told me. Gosh, you gotta be kidding me. Every single time. Well, I don't know when to get it because I'm so used to just setting the hook as soon as it hits them. Maybe Brittany's right. Maybe oh, well, bluegill! I got a bluegill! You're not even big enough to bite that thing. What are you doing? It's no wonder I could never get him in. They're trying to grab something. Ooh, that sucker went through his face. That wasn't even in his mouth. Wasn't even close.
He's like, I didn't mean to do this.
I literally was just swimming by and this thing hit me in the face. Sorry, dude. You're gonna end up stabbing me, so you're probably gonna get me back for this. Oh, that actually wasn't too bad. It really just kind of caught his gill. That wasn't as bad of a hook in as I thought it was. I still can't believe that sucker was trying to... But that would explain all of the... See, right there. Oh, that was actually a little bass. I don't know how else to get him in. Just lightly drag him.
Yeah.
I can see him grabbing the thing a lot of the time. Come here.
Good job.
I think that might have been the first bass I've got pulled in with. 'Cause look how that hooked him.
Barely.
Just barely getting him. Bluegill. Now those are the kind of fish I want to catch. They make a dinner real fast.
I thought you come up by this ready.
You're gonna have to give me a minute. I know. Yep. Calm down, little guy.
You did lose that one. I went.
I wouldn't be mad either because I hate cleaning them. You get done and you're like, oh, look at that 1/4 ounce of meat that I just pulled off that sucker. Not that they're not good, they're just not that much meat. Because it doesn't really matter who catches one. I'd like to... Yay, good job, babe. It's okay.
They're pretty though.
You get enough of them, they'll eat good.
You want me to release?
No, this one I've got enough slack on. It's whenever I'm like up to here and I gotta get this out of my way. That's when it's really a problem.
This will be my first sunburn hopefully of the year. Light one.
Yeah.
Let's make a perfect ball.
Thank you for suggesting fishing today. They might just be fans of crawdad, I don't know. Tell you what, this thing, I've never had so many hits on a freaking lure. And also had so few fish actually make it to the boat. You want to try this for a little bit?
Nope.
You sure? It's a lot of fun.
I don't think so.
Well, as long as you're having fun, that's all that matters. Stay still for a moment, please. It's weird. I keep getting it like right in the center of the mouth, it seems like. Or on the side of their face. Thank you for your contribution to my tummy. Man, he just like came right where I wanted him to go. See it? Sometimes it's just like barely getting them. Can you imagine how confused, not like the fish think about this, but how confused you would be if you like were a fish and didn't understand any of this, and like you get pulled out of the water by the crawdad that you just ate, and then the crawdad just gets pulled out of your mouth, and you're like, why am I out of water right now? No, it's just that kind of stuff. You think about that and you're like, I know that they don't think the way that we do, but it would probably be a little weird from the fish's point of view. Like, crawdad. All of a sudden you're in a boat, like, what just happened? Have you caught nothing but
bullshit, I caught 2 bass.
I was going to say nothing but, I don't know how you keep track of them. I forget so quick. I said, I don't know how you keep track of them. I forget so fast. Will you stop, please? I know it probably hurts. I wouldn't want to hook in my nose either, but you're making it real hard to take it out. And I'm not liking the whole I'm gonna slap you vibe. You done? Thank you. Into the basket you go. This is where all your friends are. See how quick that was? That's what I'm talking about. And you get that sucker all the way over here.
The popper?
Yeah. He's kind of small though. You're going back. And that's not very, like me. Huh?
Put him back.
You're lucky. Dang it. Keep getting little guys. Well, let's try again. You sure?
No! Yes, I do. Oh, all that work.
That's a big one.
All that work, and what did it get me?
You want to go ahead and hit the thingy? I think I'm gonna follow your lead. Follow your lead. See? But I'll still try to catch the big ones. Can you not? What a surprise! You're catching the big ones. You're pretty. Go ahead and hit your button. Come here. I'm trying to get him not to go under the boat. Not prepared to catch this thing. Holy crap.
Good job.
That's a big fish for a tiny little lure. My goodness. Thank you. You just made my day. My part of the day where we were You good?
Yeah.
All these heavy fish over on this side of the boat be tipping the boat, you know what I'm saying? Your right side passenger tires low.
I can see why she's a little bitter.
Yeah. Well, that ain't Michael's fault though. She blame everything on him.
Well, do you see how also he talks how he talks to her?
Well, yeah, but the same way I talk to you, we're just playing.
I don't think you told me on some of the things that
I think we can cut out like 80% of this video and just film, or just keep the part where we're fishing right here. A lot of bluegill. Bluegill are so fun to catch. They might not be very big, but they really are a blast just to catch them.
I got one.
That's a big one. That's the biggest piece of moss. Well, actually, the biggest piece of moss we've seen is that one that came off the anchor.
Yeah.
That one was freaking huge. Like a mop. You're gonna be nice to me and I'm gonna eat you. Hoo-yah! See that? That was a surgical removal that... Are you? What are you doing? You're looking real funny. Like twitching. Meh, meh, meh. He's like, I will mess you up right now. Come get close to my face and I will nibble off the tip of your nose.
My back was really over. What do you mean by this? I ain't buying it. Oh yeah, I did. Haha, I did. I remember what it is.
Well, that's good, because I'm not gonna know what it is.
IMAX and hair ties.
Well, that's a good sized bluegill. It almost looks more like a crappie. Actually, hold on. Ouch! I'm bleeding to death. Look at that little spot of blood on my toe. I'm gonna die.
Oh.
What do they always say when you get a boo-boo, don't look at it? And I was like, man, this sucker's starting to hurt. And then my brain told me, yeah, it does. Yeah, I don't wear my slippers when I'm fishing. Ooh, that was not my fault that time. Freaking wind caught it and about ripped it out of my hand. That's almost not even worth keeping, but gosh dang it, I don't know.
You have a bug on your nose.
I thought I could feel something. Thank you. An ant?
Yeah.
Thanks for not telling me. You got an ant on your face. Ah! Use that sucker as bait. Man, I'm gonna be cleaning so many bluegill after this, but they're biting, so I'm gonna keep trying to catch them. Okay, that one's pretty little.
Oh man, it's a bait.
Yeah, you can go back. You're lucky, because your older brother just ended up in that little cage. Oh, don't you you trying to follow in his footsteps too, aren't you? Oop. Catch you again here in a minute. I'm just silly. I got issue. Okay, I don't know if this is actually a bluegill this time. This one feels like it's gonna be a
I thought
bluegill.
that the last time.
Did you hear me?
Yeah, I was like really working at
I
it.
said this one feels like it's gonna be a bluegill. He felt a lot bigger at first, and then I realized, you know what? I know better. They'd be tricking me left and right. Thinking, oh, it's gonna be a big bass. Nope, it's a tiny.
Even you can tell my
Yeah. What do you want me to play?
Like I've been playing.
Like Hardy?
That's the mood. Like good country, like life is great.
I think that's the same fish. I'm pretty sure I kept the last one that was about this size though. My toe was green. I'd say it's past the point of hurting it. I think it's been hurt at that point. Like it's falling off if it's green. That's just unhealthy in every respect. Oh man, that's a fat bluegill. Holy crap. Babe, look at this thing.
Damn.
It's huge.
That is huge.
That sucker makes a lot of crappie look small. Good God, what have you been eating, dude? Biggest bluegill I've ever seen. I don't even know. Now this one's worth cleaning. Them other ones, you're not even gonna be able to get chicken nuggets out of them, or fish nuggets, not chicken nuggets. No wonder you ain't gonna be able to get chicken nuggets. Wrong species of animal. He's probably gonna eat all those other bluegill in there. When you see a splash, you throw your lure into that spot and immediately get a bite. Like, yeah, he's hungry. Let's throw it over there. Thank you for letting me know where the buffet is, Mr. Sir. Hey, hey. We're not doing this again. Thank you for your contribution. What a beautiful woman sunbathing in the golden light.
I am so white.
You are beautiful as what you are. I sure wish you appreciated your paleness as much as I do, because I love it. I love your skin tone. I think it's gorgeous. Not embarrassing. Oh. If you want to try a different lure, you just say the word. Because clearly this one's working decently. You want to try a different one? Okay, well you fish with this for a little bit. I'm gonna switch your lure.
Hey, I got some.
Isn't it nice when you get that immediate good feedback? Huh? Well, they both kind of do, but no, this one just is kind of uncomfortable. The other one has that crack running through it. You cast it into a tree or something? No biggie. We'll go get it, or we'll tear it off and we'll tie you a new one. See, look at that. Oh shit, that sucker's angry.
That's a crappie.
No, that's a bass.
That's a bass.
You want to keep him? It's up to you.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, be nice. I don't know why you would. About to eat you. Good job, hun. Catch with this tiny little lure. We really haven't caught very many big fish. We haven't even caught a single crappie. Unless my, like, recognition of what a crappie is just that bad. Which wouldn't surprise me. Oh man, can't do two at once. What is this? What is this? I kind of cheated on that one. These are so much fun. Well, this is gonna get hard for me. I'm gonna have to start doing this like factory work. Seeing it better when you're catching fish left and right. Oops. Oh, get it in here, baby. Proud of you. Sorry. I was trying to kick it and get it away from my feet. No, don't worry about it, baby. It'll calm down in a second. Come on. Yeah! Get it in here. God, that thing is struggling. Look like it's about to snap. That's a good bass, babe.
Thanks, babe.
Well done. All right, y'all got some competition now.
Oh, I got bass.
Ooh.
Okay. Oh. That's for the hook.
I don't know.
Hello.
Huh? Good job, Britt. Now, please don't stab me. That's all I'm asking you. Okay, sorry. Release. That's a big one.
Not as big as the one you got.
Yeah, but it's getting up there though. That one was just obscenely large. Like, he was not, I don't know. I don't think I've ever seen a bluegill that big. Mutated fishy. The last hour we've caught so many bluegill it's not even funny. No, I'm enjoying this. This is the best fishing we've had in a long time.
I want to make sure you got your lure and stuff.
Do what?
Like, I want to make sure that.
Oh, no, you're good. I've already got the... Oh, well, keep fishing. Oh, hold on. Stay over there. I'm assuming you didn't want to keep that one. Well, that didn't take long.
Good job.
Golly, he is tripping out instantly. No time wasted on that one. It's really weird.
Crappie are real seasonal. They're
Baby, your line's moving.
early spring is when they're like, I guess.
Are you
hot
sure?
time. Bass, you can catch them all year round. Probably bluegill. Uh-oh, is that bluegill?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Those are so fun to catch though.
Yeah, I think I just heard thunder actually, so I don't know.
Oh, it says there's rain now till 5.
Now till 5.
And it's sunny back at Friday.
Golly. This is... Yeah, it's... Oh, that thing just totally came off there. Where did... Really? Golly. But I don't know that either, is what he's talking about.
Starting to thunder.
There's a storm coming. It's going to be here in about half hour.
Okay, you want to go ahead and head back, Britt, since it'll take us 4 days to get there?
Come through here.
Huh?
I said I was pretty good for a way. Waterproof.
They are. We'll find out if I get home they don't work anymore. Oddly enough, it almost seems like the wind died down. Now that the storm's here, it's... Yeah, just out of nowhere. It sure looks unwelcoming over there. I love you. Doing okay? Still got my hot coffee. Cheers to a great day. Man, I'm such a good driver, I'm not even touching the motor. Right where we want to go. It's so slow. We'll be there in 30 minutes. Ooh, it's cold on the back. You might not want to stand up during this part, though. Golly gee, such beautiful weather. What'd he say?
Leave everything in there until the rain lifts.
I'm already wet. Yes. Yes. Huh? Yeah, it is. Golly, it's coming down hard.